Hi guys, welcome back to the video. My dear friends, if you want to purchase any kind of Fanatics gift card and you want to know which amount you can load in your gift card, so I'm going to tell you, like as you can see open on your screen, you can purchase this amount of gift card and you can't you can say add any amount in your gift card. You can say you can purchase only by using these following amounts like $10, $20, $25, $50, $75, and you can't customize your gift card amount. Okay, you need to purchase gift card by using only this amount, or you can say by using this type of demonetization and this one. And if you want to purchase any kind of amount which you want, and you can contact with the customer support team, they will help you. But as the following, you can say official announcement, you can only purchase this kind of amount. By using this kind of amount, you can purchase any gift card. Okay, so if you have any questions, you can make a comment. I will reply you very soon, and thanks for watching this video. Bye bye.